Hello, and hello, I'm the Weather Kid, and sorry for not uploading a video for a week, but we now have two systems forming. One is 7E and Erick. But our main feature is Erick since it's formed before 7E. Now let's talk about Erick. So right now it's 40 miles per hour and it's moving 10.3 north and 129.8 west. So as you can tell, it's located right here, and it could be passing the Pacific Date Line or something you call. Yep, and I saw the weather shuttle. The weather shuttle said it'll be upgraded to a Category 2 hurricane. Maybe somewhere over here. But soon, it'll be passing Hawaii, but still will bring some landfall from the Big Island. So as you can tell, like what I said, it's now 40 miles per hour, and it's moved, and I could miss the Big Island, but I think Flossie will take ground 2 and maybe impacting the Big Island. So the wind history, the wind speed probabilities showing it 80 to 90% of 80 to 90% of hurricane or tropical storm force wind. As you can tell, it'll be, as you can tell, the Big Island will get tropical storm winds, which is dark green. So the Big Island will be safe and not getting that much rain. But the arrival time of winds, well, it's saying it'll be arriving and it'll be passing the Big Island on Thursday 8 a.m. or it'll just gonna pass the island on Wednesday 8 p.m. We don't know yet, so we're gonna see if it passes. Wait, it's about to. So let's go back. So now, sorry about that. Now we're looking at 7E. It formed about a minute ago. So right now, it'll be a tropical storm tomorrow or today. Well, as you can tell, it formed 9 a.m. today. So I mean, it formed 2 hours ago. Or an hour ago. Sorry, I didn't start it forming a minute ago. So, and somewhere about in 8 p.m. or somewhere, I don't know, but it's gonna become a tropical. Still become a tropical. Sorry, I messed up. It'll still become a tropical storm until 6 a.m. Wednesday, when it become a hurricane. But it stops here, so we're gonna see more advisory coming up. So, but as you can tell, it's now 35 miles per hour, and it's tropical depression. So it's far away from the Big Island, and I think it's about 2,000 miles away, 2,000 or 1,000 miles away from Mexico. Maybe 900 miles away from Mexico. I don't know, but But I believe this Flossie will do way more damage. I don't know if it's gonna cause way more damage. But let's move on to tropical tidbits. Wait, before we do that, the wind speed probabilities. Wow, it just already hit 70 to 80%. Wow. So it have a possibility to become a 70-mile-per-hour tropical storm. So that makes it, like what I said, 70-mile-per-hour tropical storm. So now let's see the arrival time of winds. As you can tell, it doesn't show anything. So we're gonna see that, or we're gonna see that for some days out. Like what I said, it will become a 70-mile-per-hour tropical storm. So we'll be going to tropical tidbits. Oh, sorry. So right now we're in tropical tidbits, and we're first gonna look at Erick, which is right here. And today, and I might post two updates on Erick and 7E, tropical depression 7E. So as you can tell, when we reach right here, as you can tell, there's wind bands. It's one is moving this way, and some is moving that way. But as for my opinion, it looks well organized. But we don't see the center of circulation, or this could be the center of circulation. We don't know, but we will find out soon. So let's go back. So we already saw that. So as you can tell, when we reach the intensity guidance, one model is showing it becoming a category 4. But I don't think that's true. No, that won't happen because the weather channel say it will become a cat 2 and not cat 4. So 2 models, 3 models I meant to say, is showing it becoming a category 2. So while the majority of it saying tropical storm, or the majority of them saying category 1. So I don't know if it's gonna become a category 3 or 4. So, but it'll become a category 2. Well, Nari, we're not gonna talk about Nari since it's gonna dissipate soon. Invest 90E, no, it's tropical depression. Tropical depression 90E, no. No, it's tropical depression 7E. Before we get onto the satellite imagery, and before we end this, we could see that it's showing it becoming passing the category 1 status, and passing the category 2 status, and did not pass the category 3 status. Barely 2. Well, there was the 3 models, or 2 are showing it become a category 3, and while 2 of them showing a category 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are showing category 1. But everyone knows it's gonna become a hurricane. So yeah. And there's another invest in the Philippines, but we're not talking about that invest now. We're talking about Flossie and Erick that's gonna form soon. So this is tropical depression 7E. It's now well organized, as like what I said, or maybe almost organized. As you can tell, this dot right here is an island, so this island will get a lot of rain. There's a bunch of clouds. One is right here, and a bunch of them are kinda making it getting stronger. So we'll be keeping an eye on Flossie and Erick, or Erick and Tropical Depression 7E. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and like what I said, I might upload two videos of Erick and Flossie. So see you later. Bye. Oh, sorry about that.